Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Chichi Versing cooking series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make local jollof rice. You can call it palm oil rice or concoction rice, but I think it is called local jollof rice because of the local ingredient used in preparing it. Guys, the taste and aroma of this dish is so yummy and tasty. Enough talking, let's go into the cooking action. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell beside it to be instantly notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, now guys, shall we? For this recipe, you need some rice, fresh tomatoes, salt, smoked fish, red palm oil, fresh pepper, onions, seasoning cubes, grounded pepper, crayfish powder, and some scent leaves for some freshness. The full ingredient list will be listed in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out there. Okay, now let's go into the cooking process. First of all, pour some water in a pot, place it on heat. Once the water heats up, add the rice to the pot. Cover the pot and parboil for 3 to 5 minutes. Then wash the fresh tomatoes and cut them in big sizes. Place them in a pot, add some water, cover the pot and place the pot on heat. Steam for 3 to 5 minutes. Debone the smoked fish by removing all the tiny and big bones in it. After deboning the fish, put them in a bowl, add some water, wash them thoroughly, place them in a plate and set aside. 5 minutes later, open the pot and transfer the parboiled rice in a sieve placed in a bowl to drain the rice. Quickly cool the parboiled rice with some cool water. Move to the fresh tomatoes. Once the water dries up a little bit, take off the heat and use the back of a spoon to mash them. Proceed to the washing of the fresh pepper. Immerse the fresh pepper in some water to make sure they are clean. Place them on a chopping board one by one and make sure they are nicely chopped. Repeat the process for the onions. Thereafter, place a pot on heat, drizzle some red palm oil to the pot, allow it to heat up slightly before adding the chopped onions. Stir fry till they are fragrant before adding the mashed fresh tomato. Stir to combine. Allow it to simmer for 3 to 4 minutes before adding the chopped fresh pepper. Welcome back guys. Please hit the like button to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this video, and if there is any question you have concerning this recipe, please drop it in the comment section below. Okay, now shall we proceed with our cooking action. Give everything a good stir to combine. Next, add the seasoning cubes followed by the grounded black pepper and crayfish powder. Mix to combine. Stir fry for 2 minutes to wake up the seasonings before adding some salt. Stir fry to combine, then add enough water to the sauce depending on the quantity of rice you are preparing. Cover the pot and bring to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes before adding the washed parboiled rice. Add salt if necessary. Next, add the deboned smoked fish to the pot. Cover the pot and cook till the rice are tender. Proceed to the scent leaves. Place the scent leaves in a bowl. Add some water and some salt. Wash them thoroughly before placing them on a chopping board to ensure they are nicely chopped to your desired sizes. Place them in a plate and set them aside. Open the pot. Once the rice are tender, add the chopped scent leaves. Give it one final stir and take it off the heat immediately. Serve in a plate and enjoy. Guys, my job here is done. I hope you've learned something, and if you have, do not forget to share this video among your family and friends so that they too can learn something new as well, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me throughout this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload you a new video. See you guys in another episode of delicious food, which I'm going to show you guys next time. Until then, bye bye.